I'm Samiksha Gourkar and I welcome you all to my channel. तो जैसे आप लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट की that you want a morning skincare routine, so here I am. Now skincare is very important to me and I got into skincare during the pandemic and that's when I got really obsessed with skincare. During that time, I realized how skincare works for me, and since then, I made a skincare routine for myself, and I keep changing my skincare routine according to the weather and the season. I love trying different products on my skin and see what works for me and what does not. Before starting with this video, I would like to suggest only one thing, that do not blindly use the products that I am going to use in this video because everyone has different skin and everyone has different skin conditions. Look, I am not a dermatologist, I'm just a skincare educator. But what can I do is I can suggest you the products, but at the end, as I said earlier, everyone's skin is different. But everything I'm going to show you guys today is based on the research I have done and works for my skin. Hopefully, it works for yours too. So basically, it is going to be an educational video for all you guys. Also, this video is not just for women out there, but it is also for men who do not take care of their skin. And please, boys, watch this video and please start taking care of your skin because I know you don't want to look like an old man in your 20s and your 30s. So start treating your skin better. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I had shower, I've cleansed my face and I have clean hands. Remember to clean your hands before applying any product on your skin because your hands could be dirty and the dirt could clog your pores. So I've cleansed my face with this cleanser. It's called Salicylic. You can find this in any drugstore. The key ingredient in this cleanser is salicylic acid. So salicylic acid basically does the job of preventing acne causing bacteria and reduces the extra sebum production. You must have observed oiliness around your nose during the day. That's what sebum is. So next up is this Bulgarian Valley Rose Water Toner from Plum. If you are able to see it, it's from Plum Goodness, and I use it to regain the moisture lost during cleansing my face. So I use it like shake it first and I love the spray it gives because it has very fine spray and it gets into your skin really very quickly. I avoid using actives during the day because using actives can make your skin sensitive to sun damage. Then may I concentrate more on hydrating my skin and brightening my skin. Next is this essence. Let me show you first. It's the essence from Cosrx. It's the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Guys, this is a bottle of hydration for your skin. It is very soothing and really hydrating. You just need 2 pumps of this and just apply it on your skin. Remember to use this on damp skin since it has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid actually draws moisture out of the deeper layer of your skin, leaving it drier than before. But when applied on damp skin, it draws water from the surface of your skin and lock in the moisture and keeps the skin hydrated throughout the day. So keep that in mind. Next up is this vitamin C serum from Plum Goodness. It has 15% vitamin C serum. It also has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a stable form of vitamin C. Also, it has Japanese mandarin and kakadu plum extract. These two, both ingredients helps in neutralizing toxins, which is caused by free radicals. So it is one of the good serums out there. Vitamin C serum on my palms. And just apply it on my skin. You just have to press this serum on your skin. You don't have to rub it. You just have to press it. Also, do not forget your eyelids in every step. Your neck and your ears. Look at the sheen it gives on my skin. Now I'm going to use this moisturizer from Dot and Key. It's the 72-hour gel moisturizer. It has probiotics in it which boost the production of collagen, peptides and ceramides. I got this as a freebie from Nykaa, and this is the mini version of the moisturizer, but it is really good for the people with oily and acne prone skin and combination skin. I have combination skin, so it worked for me, and I am definitely gonna repurchase this one. So finally we have come to the final step of every skincare routine in this world, and that is the sunscreen. I have this sunscreen from Dr. Sheth's. It's the ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. It has SPF of 50, PA triple rating, and anti-pollution and anti-visible light. It has 1% ceramide complex, 2% vitamin C complex, and 1% again hyaluronic acid. I just love hyaluronic acid, minerals, and organic filters. Guys, if you do all these steps and forget to apply the sunscreen, then definitely you're damaging your skin more, and you're wasting your money and you're wasting your product, because sun damage is irreversible. So please apply your sunscreen, and make sure you reapply it every 3 hours, even if you're indoors, to protect your skin from sun damage. Usually I apply this sunscreen जब मैं घर पर होती हूँ, पर जब मुझे बाहर जाना होता है, I mix these two sunscreen. This is the tinted sunscreen from Requel. It is also the SPF 50 with the PA 4 ratings. It has 4 ratings. It has 3 ratings. But I use this two. I mix these two when I have to go out. पर जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ, I use this one on. So I'll take some sunscreen on my hand. I use the two finger method to apply my sunscreen. And I just apply it on my face. The quantity of your sunscreen totally depends on the texture of your skin, the texture of your sunscreen. So you can take either 2 fingers or even 3 fingers. Look at the glow it provides after applying the sunscreen. So now we are going to complete my morning skincare routine with a lip SPF, because your lips can also have pigmentations. Always apply a lip balm which has good amount of SPF in it. I use this one from Dot and Key. It has 30 SPF in it and is also very hydrating at the same time. The only problem with this one is that it does not have a good applicator. I have to take this on my fingers and then apply it like this. Although it's very hydrating. I just love the glow and hydrated feeling and the shine I get after doing my skincare. It's so moisturizing and so nourishing. So that's all I do in my morning skincare routine. Minimal, simple, and nothing too complicated. But my night skincare routine is a bit complicated because I keep changing my actives and my mask according to my skin conditions. So it's time to say goodbye to you all. Hope you loved watching this video. So like it and comment down and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and Jai Shri Ram.